This session is quite critical for you to install important libraries that we will need to run any Python script. So we have here 5. One of them comes automatically with PLAXIS, so you don't need to do anything special about it. I will explain each one of them and I will show you how to install. So basically, PLAXIS scripting is provided with PLAXIS, like I said. NumPy, Pandas, matplotlib, and also OpenPyXL. I'll explain each one of those. And I'm explaining here the command that you will have to run from within the command line that you will be able to access from PLAXIS. So let us see first how we're gonna access this. So basically, when you are here, go to Expert, go to Python, and then you see command prompt. When you see command prompt, so this is what you will have. You will have those this prompt. So when you come here to this, if I copy this command, I'll just copy this command from here. Okay, and remember, I already have this installed in my system, but I will go back to this, and if I say I'm pasting this one here, and then I say run. So basically, this has to be literally entered like this. I'm installing now the NumPy library because I already have it. It says the requirement already satisfied, so I already have it. In your case, if you never had it on your system, so this may take a few minutes for installation, and so on for the rest. So I can basically change this NumPy to something else. Assume that you're gonna install Panda. So you just replace this with Panda, everything else being the same, and so on and so forth. So this is how you're gonna install it. Well, it's perhaps installing it here, requirement already satisfied. I know I have it. I had it before. So I can close this now. I'll explain to you what each of these libraries actually does for the Python script. The PLAXIS scripting, its purpose is basically this serves as a core library for connecting Python to PLAXIS. It enables communication with PLAXIS input and output servers. So without it, we would have basically a Python interface, which allow users to send the commands, retrieve results, and automate processes seamlessly. So this is a function of this PLAXIS scripting. Example use, if you want to extract forces in embedded files, for example, or you automate material lists, so basically this library is the interface between the Python script and PLAXIS. Number 2, the NumPy, the purpose, this is a very powerful library for numerical computations and array handling. It is widely used for geotechnical calculations such as matrix operations and processing model outputs with efficiency. So you need this for the calculation of solving equations and things like that. Pandas, the purpose is basically it's a data manipulation and analysis library that simplifies handling and organizing the data extracted from PLAXIS. Example for using, for example, if you want to sort and organize extracted results into structured data format like tables or exporting them to Excel. So basically, Pandas will do this for you. The matplot library, matplotlib, the purpose, it's a visualization library used for creating graphs and the plots to represent extracted data visually. If you need to manipulate your numerical data into graphs, so it is matplotlib. Finally, the OpenPyXL, its purpose is basically for reading, writing, and manipulating Excel files. It allows seamless export of results and Python to Excel for documentation or further processing. And it is important because, well, all our geotechnical projects require results to be documented in Excel. for obviously manipulation, collaboration, and reporting. Well, are these the only sort of libraries that we will need to install? Well, this may be sufficient in the beginning, and there are other libraries that you may wish to install, but these are more than sufficient for you to make a good start. So I will see you in the next video when we start showing the Python scripts that we have and the different projects. But it's getting quite interesting.